Toolbox, a full stack music application. Toolbox is a web-based music streaming application developed using modern full stack technologies. The main goal of the project is to provide a secure and seamless music streaming experience while demonstrating complete content and backend integration. This project is not just a music player, it represents a modern web development with secure authentication, REST API communication, and cloud storage integration, and scalable architecture design. Also, more objectives. The main objective of the project is to build a complete full stack development application, to implement a secure authentication, to manage song data efficiently, to integrate cloud storage for audio files, and to understand RESTful API communication between content and backend. It basically has three layer architecture. The presentation layer, which is the front end, it is built using React.js user interface and handles user interactions like login, song selection, and playback. An application layer, it is done in the backend. We use Node.js and Express.js for it. It contains our logics basically, like how and handles user interactions and authentication. Now let's move on to the application layer, that is backend. We use Node.js and Express.js for it. It contains our basic logics for the application, and it handles authentication and database communication. The third is data layer, which is basically database management. We use MongoDB, a structured database management system, for storing user details and song details, and we use cloud storage for storing the audio files and our other images. The data which is used, that's what. We used for frontend, we use React.js, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. For database, we use MongoDB, and backend, we use Node.js and Express.js. The frontend is for dynamic UI, HTML and CSS for structuring the web page, and JavaScript is for interactions, and MongoDB is for database to store details. And Node.js is for server runtime, and Express is for building REST APIs. Other tools used include JWT for authentication, and ImageKit for cloud storage. Let's look at the module description. First is user authentication module. It includes user registration, user login, password hashing, JWT token generation, and secure word protection. And song management module. This includes adding new songs, fetching song list, storing song metadata, and streaming audio via cloud URL. Database module. It includes user connection, which includes username, email, password, and create date, and song collection, which includes the title of song, artist, audio URL, and uploaded date. Now let's look at the working of the system. Basically, let's look at the working of the system. User registration first. User will submit the details. The backend validation happens, and the password is hashed. Data is stored in the database, and token is generated. And then user logins. Once during login, the credentials are verified, and JWT token is generated and sent to the front end. The front end sends the JWT token, and the backend verifies it, and accordingly songs are fetched in the database and displayed to the user. Music streaming. When the user selects a song, audio URL is retrieved from the database, and the browser streams the audio through cloud storage. Look at security features. It includes password encryption, token authentication, middleware-based root protection, and environmental variables for sensitive data. Passwords are encrypted using strong hashing algorithms before storing it, and even when retrieving it, we just decrypt the passwords and check using token authentication. So we use this AFD token authentication for user sessions, and then the user need not log in again and again. Middleware-based root protection is to protect the roots from any harm, and environmental variables. Critical data like API keys, database connections are stored as environmental variables. Now let's look at the project implementation. Project folder. It has backend and frontend. In the backend, this configuration contains connecting database and image field details. This controller has auth controller for authentication like sign up, login, and then retrieving data and reset and reset password. Sound controller for selecting song by tag and getting songs. Middleware is for protection. Model SQL user model which stores data in the database. And send email JS is for reset password. And roles include auth rules which has the controller data, API details like sign up, login, protect, target password, profile, and and song rules is for selecting by tag or for 5 minutes. When it comes to frontend, auth includes for authentication, an edit profile, a login page, reset page, and a sign up page. This is like our input page, and this is our layout, footer, main area, and side menu. This is the control area, features, playlist, song details, and song list. This is for the search bar. This is song card and song grid. And this contains our CSS menu. CSS code. And this is our home page. Implementation of the project. This is our main page. This is the playlist grid. These contains our songs. Default we get 15 songs. This is our control area. This function has details regarding songs, controls of the songs, and some features like loop and repeat and all. And this is our home. This for search. We need to log in, and then for here we need to log in. Now let's sign up. This entire menu. music the song.
Je m'en fous pas.
And the second place
Mal de vent.
next song. Let's go next song.
Three-Face, trio hardcore.
And this is for this is say I'm just muting it. I won't hear it. You won't hear. And let's say I'm just clicking this shuffle mode. I'm just selecting some random songs. And you can change the playback speed from this option. This contains, you can see the details. This is my name and my email ID. Let's just mark it as a favorite. And if you go to favorites, you can do this. And in search bar, you just search for some flavor. You can just see the search options. It's based on tag. And this one, you can log out. You can try to log in again. Conscious and it's logged. And that completes our implementation.